Hello students, today I'm going to show you how to install the scientific calculator that we're going to be using for our class online. So if you are in your Google Classroom account, please go ahead and click on your class, the algebra class. You're going to go to the main page, which is this one, and then you will click on classwork. So if you go to classwork, you're going to be able to see this. Then you have this section here that it's Intro to Online Algebra. And the first thing that you have there, the first material, is Install Scientific Calculator. If you click on it, you are going to be able to see this website. So you need to click on the website. It's going to take you to this place, and actually Texas Instrument is offering 6 months free for students and teachers to install the exact same calculator we use during class, but online. So you're going to click here and select software for students. Then there's different versions of the calculator. The ones that we are going to be using, it's the third one. TI Inspire CX Student Software. In order to get it, you need to subscribe, which basically means type your email there. Now, I'm going to type my email. You type your own email, so please do not type mine, because if you do, then it's not going to work. It has to be with your personal email, the one that you use to log into Google Classroom. That's the one you need to use, okay? So I will type my email. .org. So remember that yours is your first last name 2024 @ideafrontiercp.org. Make sure that you did not misspell something, and then you click submit. Then it's going to send you to this website. It's going to tell you that now you can download the software, and it gives you this license number. Please do not close this window, because this is what you're going to type after you have downloaded the software. Now, depending on the computer that you have, some of you are going to have a Mac, where if you have a Windows, the majority of us, we have a Windows computer. Even if you have a tablet, you can also do this. If you have a phone, then I will put another link for you to go over that one, so you can use a different calculator. So in this case, I will install this one. I'm going to download this software. Now you need to wait until it downloads, like the whole thing. So in here, it says that I need to wait 2 minutes. It depends on how fast your internet is, the waiting time. So we're just gonna wait some time. Once it's downloaded, you're gonna click here, and you're gonna click on the little arrow that you see here, and you're gonna click on show in folder. It's taking some time, so let's just wait. Okay, so once it's downloaded, then you click here on the little arrow, and then you go to show in folder. It will take you to this main page. So you click here, so you can either double click or just click open. So if you click open, it will take you to this main screen. Then you click next, then you click next again, and then you click install. Then you need to wait again several minutes. So we're gonna wait. Okay, so once you have finished installing the software, it's going to show you something like this. Then you click finish. I already have the teacher software, so I'm not sure what's going to happen next. So I'm just going to try it. After you are done, if you got to this step, then you are ready to use it. You are going to be able to see it on the desktop on your computer. So hopefully that's the same for us right now. So let's click on finish. So if nothing happens, like in my computer, then if you go to the desktop on your computer, let's go there. Oh, I may have a lot of things open. You should be able to see it. It's going to look like this. It says TI Inspire CX Student Software. So if I click on this one, you double click, It's going to show you student software. Then it will show you this, the calculator that you're going to be using. Please select on the one that we have, which is the TI Inspire CX. If you select the other one, then your screen is going to look a little bit different than the one I will be showing you on the video. So just click this one and then click next. Then it will tell you to activate the software. Then is when you need to go back to the website where the code that you got here. So that code is the one that you're gonna input in here. So I will click on yes, activate your license, and then I will click next. Here's where you're gonna type the number that you got. So I'm gonna type exactly the same number. I tried copy and pasting the number, it won't work, so you just have to type it all. So it's please do not type this number because it's not going to work for you. You need to put your own number. Whatever number you got, whatever letters you got, that's exactly the same thing you type. I'm going to repeat that one more time. Do not type this one because it's not going to work for you. You need to download and type your own number. So let me just type it all. Make sure you go slow so you can type the right letters and numbers, otherwise it will tell you that you did something wrong at the end. Once you are done typing the license number, then you click next. You click I accept the license agreement. You wait a little bit. Then it will tell you that you have that the time, whatever expiration time they give you, and then you click next. It's going to tell you if you want to improve the product. You can either say no or yes or whatever it is. I'm just going to say no, thank you. And your calculator is ready to use. So this is the way that your calculator is going to show for you. If you click here, add a calculator, then you're going to be able to type whatever it is. Then the next question is, ma'am, how do I type stuff? Well, you can click here on the top left corner. There's the calculator type of thing. You click there and you're gonna be able to see like the numbers and everything. So you have two options. If you click here, you can see it dark or you can see it light, whatever you prefer. I prefer the dark calculator because that's the way that we have it in our classroom, but whatever your option is, that's fine with me. Then in here, if you go home, it will show exactly the same thing that you would have on the calculator. If you click on the calculator, it will take you to the calculator and so on. So once you have installed this software, then now play a little bit with it so you can get familiar. And if you have any other questions, please contact me. Just type a comment on Google Classroom so I can help you out with the process, okay? See you in the next video, guys. Bye!